welcome back to my channel. So it's Valentine week, and for this Valentine I have started a Valentine series, and this is my first look which I created for Valentine. And if you like this look, so you can check out the complete video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. So without wasting any time, let's straightly jump into the video and see the complete video for this makeup look. So let's create this look, and let's get started. So first I am going to use this primer. So just a small amount of primer and I'm applying. बगल में मेरी नीस कुछ कार्टूनी कर रही है. So now I am going to apply Pond's BB cream. Look at her. She is also applying some makeup. So मैं एक ब्यूटी पेंडेंट लेकर इसे कम्प्लीटली अच्छे से अप्लाई कर लिया मैंने पूरे फेस पे. Now I am going to use a loose powder and will set this base. So जो भी एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ पाउडर है वो मैं इस बड़े वाली ब्रश से रिमूव कर दूँगी. Make sure you apply the powder to your neck area as well. Now the eyebrow. So don't ever forget to do your eyebrow, because it is the main thing which I especially love, and I especially feel that this is the one thing which is very important in the makeup. So मैंने अपनी दोनों eyebrows को fill कर लिया है. Now I'm applying a thin liner. It's a day makeup look, so not going to apply a thick liner, just a thin liner. So मैंने अपनी दोनों आईज में ये eyeliner अप्लाई कर लिया है. Now my base is done, eyeliner is done, eyebrow is done. So इस मेकअप लुक में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है मैंने, बस ये अभी मैं एक हाइलाइटर लेके अपने हाई पॉइंट्स को हाईलाइट कर लूँगी. Now I am using this blusher to apply it on my cheeks. So this is a Maybelline blusher which I am using, and it is really good for the day makeup look. So ये एक पिंक स्पीच कलर का ब्लशर है. मैंने अपनी चीक्स पे ब्लशर अप्लाई कर लिया है. Now I will apply highlighter over the blusher, which comes out really good actually. So let's just apply the highlighter over the blusher. This is the trick which I found a very good thing. It mixes your highlighter and blusher into one and gives you a very natural look. So I have simply used my finger to apply the highlighter. I have not used any brush. Side में मेरी niece, she is thinking to create her own video. So now I am going to apply the lipstick. So I'm just using a red lipstick as it's a Valentine look. So red is the color which will go for the best. So lipstick is done. Almost the makeup is done. So just I think I'm just applying some glitter on my eyelid. Not going to do eye makeup because it doesn't look much good if I'm going for a dark lipstick and the eye makeup. So better I'm just applying a light shimmer over my eyelid and the red lipstick. So this is the look which will go together and it will look really good. So मैंने अपने इनर कॉर्नर्स में भी हाईलाइट कर लिया एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ मस्कारा टू एंड दिस मेकअप. So let's see how it comes. I'm just putting my earrings and I have opened my hairs now. So this is the look. You can see I just changed the light. I just turned off the hair light and now it's a natural light and see this is the look and this is the glow which it's looking really good. So मैंने एक बन बना के भी ट्राई किया है and it was also looking good. So it totally depends, whatever the hairstyle suits you, you can try. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you have enjoyed. Bye.